So y'all come meet newest edition of the Cog Hill family. What is happening, guys? Jason over here at Cog Hill. We got like, well, I say we, Mary Carl. She's got some things that she likes that are special, so they get special treatment. And so we kind of give them some playtime during the day. Let me show you what I'm talking about. But first, I got feed, I got to unload.
And elegant calculations. A computer.
But Mary Carl's got a lot of like pet chickens, or more like novelty chickens, like silkies. And so we got some silkies, and they stay in the barn at night, but we've been bringing them out into the garden during the day so they can get out and stretch their legs. And they can somewhat get in my beds and fertilize my garden and turn up the soil for me. So it's a win-win. Speaking of, and look what this rabbit manure is really composting down and starting to look wonderful. Here come some of our other favorites that stay in the barn at night. That is Tony and Sugar, husband and wife, and a Polish. What's the Polish's name?
Pepper.
Pepper. Shug! And Big Tony. What's up, Tony? Show him who's boss, boy. Oh my.
Foxy, get out of here.
Go on out, Foxy. Go on out. Go, 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 go. Tony is, Sarama?
Splash Selma.
Splash Sarama, which is the world's smallest chicken.
And Sugar is too.
And Sugar is too. They're both Saramas.
She's just a quail color.
And Pepper's a Polish.
And the rest are silkies.
Everybody's silkies. That white one I know is 100% rooster.
I heard it grow.
Did you?
I heard the Bob White say Bob White. Justin Water. Yeah.
The thing about the Sarama, see how he bows up? That's what they're known for. They puff that chest out real far and just bow up. Actually, in shows, that's what they want them to do. They put on a table and let them just strut around and puff that chest up. Tony, Tony!
Sugar says she's not impressed.
Tony, you gotta work on your moves. Hey, since everybody's outside, y'all want to clean these coops out?
I've got plenty of shavings.
Okay, good.
A new thing in there, don't I?
Got one right here too.
I got one on the floor.
Okay, I gotta go empty the rabbit stuff and I'll go get the.
What's up, boy?
Clean, got that sucker clean. Let me show you this. I don't know if I ever even mentioned this in any of the videos, but this was originally just a little coop that we had, and we put a door outside where they could go in and out. And this is all we had originally. And then of course our flock grew and grew and grew. We ended up using it to put juvenile chickens in. Then I was like, you know, this is a lot of space up here that is just wasted. So then I put a second level. I put a pallet in here and I put a piece of board over the top of that. So now I got 2 levels. So yeah, just utilize your space when you don't have that much. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some lime down on both spots and some DE diatomaceous earth, and I'm gonna put some fresh shavings down, and while those suckers are out there chilling in the garden, they're gonna have a fresh, new, clean little home to come to tonight. Probably sleep well. So why the lime and the DE? Well, the lime helps repel pests, but it also refreshes it. It helps really well with odors. The DE, the diatomaceous earth, also helps with pests and repels and can actually kill smaller insects and parasites and that kind of thing if they come across it. Also, a quick tip for any of y'all that don't know, you always want to use pine shavings for your chickens. You don't want to use cedar, and you don't want to use hay. The cedar produces that smell, and it can mess their respiratory system up or irritate it. And then hay is very susceptible of growing mold. So that's why the best thing to use is pine shavings. At least that is for us. That's what we found the best thing to use is. We have had geese here a long time. But we've never ever been able to hatch one successfully. Either they didn't hatch or they just didn't make it. But that's all changed. So y'all come meet newest edition of the Cog Hill family. We've had geese forever, and never have we been successful at hatching a gosling egg until now. Little booger. Well, we think it's a Chinese and a Sebastopol mix. Oh man.
It is neck.
It's so funny. What do you name it?
Pringle.
Pringle. Mr. Pringle. Or Mrs. Pringle. We don't know yet. We got 3 more geese eggs in the incubator.
No, we don't. We have.
Oh, we got more than that in here?
6, I think.
6. Good goobly goo. 14 days, so they got 2 weeks left. Let's check on the eggs. Let's candle something. Oh, looks like a little something. Turn around this way. I can see, look at that dark spot.
Got its eye.
It's moving. I believe that's his eye. Alright, let's try a silky and sea bright. Oh my, look at the veins. That's cool. Alright. That one don't look so hot. Nope.
What's wrong with the silkies?
I don't know. Nope. Oh, I'm gonna have a good clutch of silkies here. Looks like it's gonna be lots of sea brights and mixes. You got silky? This one's heavy. I can tell it's ready. Aha!
One little silky.
There's one little silky. That's got some potential. Pee. What's up, old girl? Sunny? Peachy? So it looks like it's fixing to rain, so we're gonna grab Tony and Sugar and the silkies. Put them babies up.
Time to go back up.
Time to go back up.
Who's
They
it?
look like they've enjoyed this. Look how dirty they are. Who you got?
Sugar and Tony.
Sugar and Tony. Sugar and Tony go on the top level. Ain't that right, Thomas? Oh yeah. Super clean, guys. Super clean. Okay. All right. hey, if you want to see another little video about Mary Carl, her and our chickens, check out this video right over here. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you're interested in any Cog Hill Farm shirts like this one right here, check out this link right here. Y'all be good.